Hi guys, I'm Megan Brightwood and welcome to my channel. So today is a knitting video. I'm going to be sharing with you my July KnitCrate unboxing. So I have two KnitCrates here. One of them is the KnitCrate membership and the other is the sock crate. But as usual, before we get into these, I wanted to share what I made from last month. And the first thing you're gonna have seen already, it is my shawl. So this is the Minty Fresh shawl by Tyga Hilliard. And I love this thing. I had a couple pictures on Instagram of this. Evelyn absolutely loves it. And for those of you that are just joining, Evelyn is my daughter. She's a year and a half, and she, as soon as I finished this, she stole it and used it as a blanket. And I mean, can you blame her? It is gorgeous. I love it so much. I did block this out because of all the lace. I just thought it would look prettier, which I mean, most things do look better blocked. So yeah, I love all that lace, and then there's this really cool ridge detailing here, all the fringe. It's just gorgeous. Love, love, love that one. And then I also have socks from last month, and these are the Ski Slope socks by Jo Tor. And speaking of blocking, these were the first ever socks that I blocked. I am now obsessed with blocking my socks. I always thought that it was pretty pointless because you just wear them and then they stretch out anyway, but they're gorgeous blocked, aren't they? And then you can see the detailing here a little bit better with it blocked. You can see there are zigzag stitches all the way through there. So if I'm gonna be completely honest, last month when I got these, I love the colors, but I didn't really think that I would be reaching for them quite as much as I am. Like this blue, this green, I really just don't reach for them. I kind of stick with my muted neutral tones and that's it. But having said that, I have worn both of these so much. Well, not these quite as much yet because it has been incredibly hot here. But this I've actually worn quite a bit. It's very lightweight with all the lace and everything. But yeah, I'm sure that I will be wearing those socks a lot come winter as well. So jumping into the boxes, I did pre-cut them, but I don't know what is inside. So one of these is the sock crate and one of them is the KnitCrate membership. Not sure which. So let's just start with this one, shall we? So I'll give you guys the first peek here. Oh, there's the card. So the theme is Modern Primary. It says, explore a fresh look at the familiar rainbow with bold, intense color. Tangerine, grass green, and sunshine yellow play against navy and ultraviolet. Mix and match this month's pigmented hues with rich neutrals like camel, caramel, and stark white for pieces that pop. So there's the card, and this looks like it is the sock crate. So here is the rest of the box. The pattern is right here, and this is by Hannah Thiessen. It's the Hyla socks, and these look like they'd be really good for beginners. There is a little bit of shaping, it looks like, on the arch there, if you can see it very well, but for the most part they're pretty basic. And then the yarn looks like this. I think that I saw on their Instagram that there were two different colors. I don't remember what the other one was. But this is the colorway Compact. It is an 80/20 merino nylon base, and yeah, looks pretty cool. So this, I'm not sure how this is going to knit up, because it looks like I don't know how this is gonna work. But I'll show you how it works, because it looks like this is all in one skein, but you can kind of see that there's a separate color for like the cuff, the base of the sock, the heel. So I'm not sure how this works, but it must work. So yeah, there's that. And then let's move on to the other box. This must be the KnitCrate membership. And so right on top we have the card again, same Modern Primary. And then we have the pattern. Actually, I'm gonna show you the yarn first. So the yarn, ooh, this is kind of cool. It's like a bumpy sort of texture. It is the Knitology Knitology yarn, and it is in the colorway Dashboard. It's a bouncy worsted weight, and it's 100% superwash merino. So, oh, that is really cool. It definitely has like that camel in there, some purples, some aqua. Actually, it's a very similar aqua to the shawl that I'm wearing, and that color, and the KnitCrate box. So I wonder if they're doing a little something sneaky there. I thought that was cool. So as for the patterns, there are two different patterns. There's a knitting pattern and a crochet pattern. And what I have typically been doing is one crochet pattern 1 month, and then I do a knit pattern the next month, and then I just kind of go back and forth. However, that trend did end, I think, with this shawl. I'm not 100%, but we'll take a look. So this one is the Beach Ball Cowl by Virginia Sattler Reimer, and my husband just walked in, so ignore that. He's gonna try and walk around my filming setup here. But there is what the cowl looks like, and I've seen a lot of people on Instagram working on this one already, so I might be doing that as well. And then the other pattern is Yoga Socks by Laura Bain. And those look a little something like that. And this, I think, might be the same colorway that I got in my box. Not sure, but I do think I'm gonna do the cowl. Oh my goodness, my house is just blowing up. Cricket found a toy. So I think that that is my cue to wrap up this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. And if you are interested in seeing these boxes made up, like the projects made from these boxes, certainly check out next month. And if you are interested in getting these boxes for yourself, I do have a coupon code. It's Pearls20 for 20% off your first box. And as for right now, I think I'm gonna go try and calm my house down because it's just chaos in here. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!